Welcome back to BA Performance. Today I will be showing you guys how to install a injector rebuild kit. I got this off eBay for about $15, and it comes with everything you need. O-rings. These are your top bushing for your fuel rail here. It comes with two different style caps if you have like two holes in the end of your injector or one. It comes with the filters for the end of your injector, and then the bushing for the bottom of the injector where it seats into the manifold. I did these two already. That's what it looks like with all the new stuff on it. And then these two I haven't done yet, and you can see that the seal on top is dry rotted and gone, and these were actually stuck in the manifold yet, but they've got a good amount of corrosion on them. So first step is you want to keep one so you remember which parts go where, so that's why I did two, and I'm going to do two again. So you can just take off your old parts and put them in a pile. Don't mix them up with your new ones, of course, but they should be pretty easy to tell. Okay, those are the easy parts to remove. The O-rings just come off. Now we're left with the a little bit trickier parts to remove, like this cap here. So what I did to remove the cap is I used my larger channel locks and just kind of grab on the end of it. It's hard enough to hold the plastic, but not so hard that you're damaging the inside part. And I grab around the injector, twist and pull to separate. Do that again with this one. Grab it, twist and pull to separate. That one was a little bit harder, but it did come. Okay, the rebuild kit will also come with this filter extractor. So this side extracts, and this side is to help you put them in. So this side basically has a self-tapping screw on it, and as you twist the end, it goes out and in. So you want to screw it out, and then you'll screw it into the back of the injector. Right there, you see that little metal ring. You screw it in. You don't have to go all the way in. Let me see if I can find an old one here. Here's an old one. So you can see there's just a bit of metal on the end, and then the rest is plastic. So if you screw it all the way in, you'll damage the plastic and risk like losing a little piece in there. So I screw it in a good ways, but I don't try not to bottom it out. So there you can see I'm screwed in, and then I twist the end, and it slides it down, making it into a puller, and you keep twisting it. Can be hard. You keep twisting it until it's all the way in and the filter has been extracted. You can screw it back out. And there you can see that screw hasn't gone like all the way through the plastic there. And then to remove this, you take pliers or vice grip, grab onto that metal piece, and unscrew it from there. And that's how you remove your filter. Okay, so we'll do it one more time on this one. I just screw back in so it's not pokey. Take our new filters. There's the new one. And drop it in. You'll go in that far. And then I take the brass end of this piece, kind of like line it in there like that, line it up straight, and push it together until the injector touches the plastic. It takes a good amount of force, and then you just pull it off and you have your filter installed. Repeat it again with this one. And the filter is installed. Next I go with the plastic caps. Plastic caps will slide on about this far before it starts to get hard. And then what I do is put it on the table and push down until they're fully engaged. Same thing, do it with this one. Push down until they're fully engaged. If you have a hard time clipping it over the end, if you warm it up a little bit in some hot water or with a heat gun slightly so you don't deform it, it'll make it a little easier to expand over the end. Next we have these are the bushings for the manifold. Bushing or a rubber grommet, whatever you would like to call it. Slide them on the bottom. And then we have the bushing or grommet for the fuel rail. Slide them on the top. And then last but not least, we have the O-rings. go on very simple in that channel. There you are. That's everything you need to know to install a rebuild kit on your fuel injectors. These are for a Toyota 22RE, but this process should go the same for any similar styled fuel injector. Just make sure you get the right rebuild kit. Thanks for watching this episode. Please like, comment, subscribe, share us with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.